Number 3. Perfitel Bird Travel Cage, Bird Travel Carrier. Lightweight bird and small animals carrier. Multifunctional portable and breathable pet bag. Lightweight and portable, the bird travel carrier weighs only 2.43 pounds and can be carried in 2 ways, portable and shoulder mounted. It is the best choice for you and your pet to travel. Ventilation and transparency. Both sides are transparent and have ventilation holes designed to pay attention to the pet's condition and interact with it. Number 2. Petsfit Bird Carrier with stainless steel bowl. Includes slide tray for easy cleaning. Great storage, side pocket, 10 inches into 5 inches. Small bag and side pocket allow you to store small items. Excellent ventilation, 4 1-inch holes on the top offer great ventilation. Include side flaps to shade the light. Designs and functions made from environmentally friendly materials, Oxford material. Packs and chips flat for easy storage. Fit most kinds of birds. Number 1. Colorday Lightweight Bird Carrier. Bird Travel Cage. Lightweight and portable, weighing only 0.85 kilogram. It lets you easily sling it on your shoulder or by its handle. The most fashionable cage for taking your bird to the vet or other places. Panoramic sunroof design offers wider field of vision, reducing the pet bird stress level and giving you a good view to check on your pet's well-being.